You already have a character that works. Now you need a new outfit for them. The hardest part isn't having no direction. It's having a direction that's too broad. Streetwear sounds specific, but once you start, it can go a lot of different directions. So instead of guessing, I use exploration as a decision tool. Not to design, to decide. I bring my character into Viscom, lock her identity, and generate a wide range of directions fast, without committing to any of them. The goal here isn't a finished design, it's a clear direction. Alright, we're in Viscom. Open a new file. I'll start with a blank canvas. Switch to Portrait, 9:16, and bring in my character. Before I touch outfits, I need a clean base. If the AI sees existing clothing, it reacts to those details instead of building something new. Old colors, old shapes, old textures. They may bleed into every generation, and I'll spend rounds fighting the output instead of reading it. So I'll use Modify, strip everything down to a simple bodice and underwear, and run a few times. I'm looking for clean enough that nothing from the original outfit is interfering. I'll pick this one. Proportions match, shape is right. Clean base means everything after these stays consistent. That's the whole foundation. First pass, I'm just checking if the prompt is doing its job. Does the character feel stable? Are the variations actually different from each other? If yes, I'll go wider. If the output is drifting or blending into one look, I'll adjust the prompt before I generate more. Good. Character is holding. I'm already seeing range. Urban Goth, Neo-Tech, Skate Crew, Block Hype, Court Style. These are all look cool. The prompt is working. Now, I can generate more and start comparing. This is the part that feels like browsing, not designing. I'm not asking, is this good? I'm asking, does this fit her? That's a different question. A look can be great streetwear and still be wrong for this character. What I'm scanning for is fit, not quality. Y2K keeps pulling my attention. The shapes feel right for her proportions, and the attitude matches. So, I'll narrow the prompt. Same structure, tighter focus on Y2K, and go one level deeper. After a few more rounds, I'll stop here. I picked 5 looks that feel right for this character in this world. That's my lineup. So, here's where we landed. 5 Y2K directions. Different looks, but clearly the same character. What made this work wasn't any single result. It was the order of operations. Instead of trying to design the perfect outfit first, I generated options, then reacted to what I saw. Some didn't fit, Some are close, a few felt right. That's the difference. You are making decisions based on something real, not guessing. So the framework is simple. Lock the base, explore wide, compare for fit, pick what holds. You can apply these to any character. If the identity works, don't restart from zero. And if your direction feels too broad, that's not a problem. That's exactly when this process works best. You don't need a perfect brief to start. You just need a base that works and a way to stop guessing. In this video, we explored without a specific direction. Next, I'll show you how this changes when you do have a clear brief, and the goal is to build something specific.